Started first. Okay, I've started. So I'm here with Mr. Jude. So I've known him for years, and he drives a Peugeot 406.
Yes.
So I want us to hear from him his experience on his Peugeot car. Okay, let's start with how long have you owned this car? If you can still remember.
Well, I actually bought this car 2014
Okay.
precisely. I got the car 2014 from Germany,
And
Wolfsburg.
we are in 2020 now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So like how many years? Okay, well, you guys do the calculation then. So for you, what is the experience of this car to, what is it like so far, the ownership experience, maybe the ups and downs?
Yes. The truth is, Peugeot is a very good car.
Okay.
A very good car. My wife has Toyota Camry, so I sometimes drive a car, but you can't compare.
Okay.
When you are driving Peugeot, you are confident. The car is heavy. When you're on speed, you are not scared that a trailer might pass you by, and before you know it, you are off the track. It's not like that. The weight is heavy. The car is strong. It's a very strong car. But my problem with Peugeot is this timing belt.
Okay.
Timing belt is our problem. So if there's any way they can, maybe instead of using a belt, they could maybe just try and use a chain or something to make it more,
Okay.
more strong and all that. So that's the only problem Peugeot my own Peugeot.
As
The
in,
timing
you've
belt is
had
the
the
problem.
experience cutting out the belt?
Yes, I actually had experience when I was actually going to Kwara to see my mom, and I didn't see it coming. It just came and it was so frustrating.
Yeah.
Apart from that, the fuel consumption
Okay.
is excellent. The engine is okay.
Yeah, for those listening, this is a D9 99 model. It has a 1.8 liter engine with a manual transmission.
Yes.
So the fuel consumption is
It's
okay.
perfect, very perfect. If the AC, even when the AC is on, you won't even know the difference whether it's on or on. So it's perfect.
So it means even with 1.8 liter engine, it still powers the entire vehicle with the AC and the fuel consumption goes. Okay, so with all the experience so far with the car, do you think you might consider owning another Peugeot?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Yeah, in the future.
Because I can't imagine myself driving a Japanese car because the weight is just too light for me, because I like speeding when I'm driving. So
Okay.
I intend getting one once I am off with this.
This one. Okay.
I intend getting maybe a higher
Okay, something new